ruffled hair. I thought I did what I could for healthy-looking hair, but why is my hair still so dry? Time to recover for healthy hair. This is exactly why you need Atomy's Silk Protein Hair Essence. Containing 4 essential ingredients for healthy hair. Atomy's very special hair health restoring mechanism, the CMC code. 7 types of small molecule vegetable proteins penetrate deep into the hair to help recover the damage. Astonishing technology proven by clinical results that immediately restores the damage done to hair. To put it short, it's a protein bomb. No need to rinse it off. Since it is a bubble-type essence almost like whipping cream, you can apply it on wet hair after shampoo or on dry hair after drying. Also, since it's light and fresh, you can reapply it as much as you like. Looking for fuller, healthier hair? Start your goddess hair routine with Atomy's Silk Protein Hair Essence.